Hi, welcome to my video. In this video, we will see a simple sum from the chapter Life Insurance Company. I am S. Bakarali, second year student of BCom from KCS Cosinodar College of Arts and Science. Let us see a simple sum for the computation of correct life assurance fund. Problem 1. A life assurance fund of rupees 25 lakhs was ascertained without taking into account the following. Claim covered under reinsurance rupees 18,000. Reinsurance premium rupees 15,000. Calculate the correct life assurance fund. From this given information, correct life assurance fund to be calculated. Now we will see the computation of correct life assurance fund. For ascertaining the correct amount, the format of correct life assurance funds to be referred for which items to be added and deducted. Step 1 is that the life assurance fund as ascertained to be taken, that is 25 lakhs. From this, the ignored items to be added and subtracted as per the format of correct life assurance fund. Step 2. Now amount to be identified from the format. It is understood as claim covered under reinsurance of rupees 18,000 to be added. After adding the amount, the fund is 25 lakhs 18,000. Step 3. Now subtract amount to be identified from the format is to be understood that reinsurance premium of 15,000 to be subtract. After subtracting it is 25 lakhs 3,000. So this is the correct life assurance fund. Now we will see the second problem. The life assurance fund of an insurance company 31st/3/2016 show the balance of rupees 87,76,500. It was found that the following were not taken into account. Dividend from investment 4,80,000, income tax on above 48,000, bonus utilized in reduction of premium rupees 8,77,500, claim covered under reinsurance 4,23,000, claim intimated but not accepted by company rupees 7,62,000. Ascertaining the correct life assurance fund from the given information, correct life assurance fund to be calculated. The solution for the problem. For the calculation of correct life assurance fund, step 1 is life assurance fund is ascertained to be taken, that is 87,76,500. From this, the ignored item to be added and subtracted as per the format of correct life assurance fund. Step 2. Now added amount to be identified from the format. It is understood as dividend from investment 4,80,000, bonus utilized in reduction of premium 8,77,500, claim covered under reinsurance 4,23,000 to be added. After adding the amount, the fund is 1,05,57,000. Step 3. Now the subtract amount to be identified from the format. It is understood income tax on above, bonus utilized in reduction of premium, claim intimated but not accepted by the company, that is 48,000, 8,77,500, 7,62,000. It to be subtracted. After subtracting it is 88,69,500. So that is correct life assurance fund. In this video we have a two problem for a computation of correct life assurance fund. Thank you.